Okay, that's better. Hi guys. So with school, first of all, that and this we're just not gonna talk about, but with school, literally for me, I just got a haircut yesterday and I freaking hate it. She cut it way too short. But for me, the first day of school is in 2 days, so you know I have some breakouts. But I just wanted to show you guys like a quick makeup tutorial that is super simple. Even if if you go to like private school especially, and you have
Ew, what am I?
rules, or like, you know, you don't want to make it look like too obvious or something, I have the right stuff for you. Because I know that like a lot of like James Charles, I know he has done it, especially like back to school makeup, like simple 15 minutes or whatever. But are you really gonna spend 15 minutes getting ready in the morning when you wake up at 7 and you have to be at school at 7:15? No, you know, just no. So no, I've got you. And also those are just like, he put like lashes on or something, like, you know, like the people that spend usually like an hour and up getting ready for their day, I'm sorry, but their like school makeup routines are just not realistic. So I'm gonna show you guys, as someone who is currently in high school and someone who doesn't wear a lot of makeup, someone who I personally don't really like to wear makeup. I'm super red right here. And I have basically everything you could basically imagine needing. Like, I mean, a lot of it. And you can obviously spice this up. I'm typically not the person to wear lots of eye makeup. First of all, I don't wear any makeup to school, but first day of school, I'll probably try a little bit, so I might. So first of all, I have my beauty blender. I need to moisten this, but I don't feel like getting up. So I'm just going to spray it with some of this rose water spray from Mario Badescu. I'm just gonna literally, I'm too lazy to get up and wet it, but we can pretend, right? Cool. So for me, with concealer, I like to use something, even though I'm gonna want a lot of coverage to cover up all my breakouts, school, stress, breakouts. I feel like something more light coverage is super appropriate for high school. Not that I'm like that person that's like, oh, you shouldn't be wearing makeup, you're only in high school. And you can always build it up too, and it just looks more natural, you know? I'm using my Glossier Stretch Concealer. I'm in the shade medium. It's actually a little bit too light for me, but that's okay. But it actually is super creamy. So I just like dip my beauty blender in there, and I basically just put it in the areas where I have breakouts or whatever. This thing we're really not gonna be able to cover, only because it's like a scab, but yeah, we can try. And then I just blend this bitch out. I don't wear like foundation, BB cream, CC cream, tinted moisturizer, anything like that. Yeah, like this is not gonna get covered, but that's okay. In makeup, the best thing you can do when you have like a giant breakout or something is not just like pile a bunch of makeup on there, because it's actually just gonna bring more attention to it if it's like cakey. So I'm just gonna take this brush. I honestly can't even tell you what it is. I got it in like a set from this website. This is my Milk Makeup matte bronzer. I'm in the shade Baked, and I just take the brush. I'm not really like contouring, but I'm kind of contouring. So in really light circular motions, I just start like up here and then go down to the side of my face, and then I'll blend it into like the middle. I kind of focus it in the area, but I'm not like trying to contour, you feel? And go in my hairline. Cool. And then I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I'm in the shade medium brown. It's a little bit too dark for me, so my dog's barking. Okay, I'm just going to kind of brush my brows into the shape I want. And with this, a really little bit goes a super friggin' long way. So my dog's gonna run up here. Yep. Hi, come here. He's flipping out, I don't know why. This is a little bit too dark for me, but I basically just focus it on, what's that part called? The arc, whatever. Just because that's where I'm really sparse. But as I'm looking at this video, so far it's been like really gonna spend 15 minutes getting ready in the morning, just dishing, saying like, but, and the reason it's taking so long is because I'm literally sitting here talking. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula butter bronzer and that same brush I used for my matte bronzer, and I basically, you know, I'm not even going to use fancy beauty guru words like set it in place or something, because that's really not what I'm doing. I'm just kind of adding something to it. Coolio. So for brow gel, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. I'm in the shade Brunette. Coolio. For highlighter, I'm going to use my incredible You Glow Girl. This is actually from Sephora. And this is in the shade Cosmic Blur, and this is like a jelly highlight. I don't put it on my nose or anything. On my eyes, because I don't really wear eyeshadow, I just take, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to take my butter bronzer again from Physicians Formula and just any like fluffy brush, Kylie Summer palette, and just take the same brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Need a Tan, which is like this reddish burnt orange bronzy color, and I'm just going to pop that in my crease. The Glossier Lash Slick, which is a super janky product. Just kidding, it's not janky, it's really good though. I just kind of spread out my lashes while I put this on. I know everyone's like, why do girls make like weird faces when they're doing their bottom lashes? And I try not to, but it's just not the same, because the reason I do it is to like widen up my eye or whatever. Oops, wrong. That's literally it. I know that this kind of took a long time or whatever, but if you think about it, so it's been like almost 14 minutes, but if you think about it, I was literally talking to the camera for half the time. This is typically a lot more than I would ever do for school, just because I might kind of do something more extravagant the first day or something, but after that, no. I'd rather get the extra 15 minutes of sleep than do my makeup for school for people that I don't really care about. Ugh. Okay, what's going on? Whatever. So I just finished editing this video, just like super simple edit or whatever, but yeah, if you guys liked this video, definitely please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. This is gross, like I'm like Logan Paul or Jake Paul. I'm like Alicia Marie, who I love, but definitely subscribe, leave a comment down below what other videos you guys would want me to do, or like what you want to see. And like I said, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'd really appreciate it, because I'm just starting off my channel. But yeah, definitely do that. And thank you so much for watching to the end of my video, and I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one, even though I'm saying I love you to no one because I have no subscribers yet. Unless you subscribe, please subscribe.
Bye, bitch!